Alright everyone, we're making some chocolate chip cookies. It's an alright recipe, it's a little simple. But the ingredients you're going to need: 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter. I have 1 packed brown sugar, 1 cup, 1/2 cup of regular granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I got measured already in the cup, but you need 2 teaspoons of this. You can get the 100% bean vanilla extract or just use the imitation. Or 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which I have in the flour already. And the baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You want to put that in with the flour and just sift it. And then you need 2 cups of any kind of chocolate chip. We're using milk chocolate. You want to get your butter, your white sugar, and your brown sugar. Put it in the bowl and mix it. After that's mixed, you want to add the eggs one at a time and then mix. I'm going to get to that part and I'll bring you back. Alright, I added 1 egg, mixed it real good. Then I add the other egg, mixed it real good. And you want to add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have already measured out. I just got it in a different measuring cup. I'll mix that in. Now you want to add your flour a little at a time when you're doing this so it don't get too thick at you. I'm about to add the flour and blend it up. I'll add a little at a time and save a little bit at the end. And I'm going to mix the chocolate chips in and then mix the rest of the flour in. And I'll come back after I'm done blending it up because vanilla extract is easy to mix with it. Fork. So I'll bring you back after I'm done adding the flour. Alright everyone, I added my chocolate chips, my 2 cups. I blended the flour, the dough together, and then I'm going to mix these with a fork. I don't want them all mushed up and crushed. And then I saved a little flour. I should have saved a little more, but I only saved a little flour, mixed the rest of that flour in. And after this, I got some buttered pans. I'm going to spoon the cookies onto and then cook them on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are golden brown, depending on how big your cookies are, and keep them about 1.5 inches apart. Let me finish mixing this. I don't want to mess up the chocolate chips. I'm going to put them on the cookie sheet. Then I'll show you guys and the ending result. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciate all the support and everyone that's motivated me to keep doing more videos, because I have been busy and threw it off for a little bit, but I'll get back to it. We had 4 kids to take care of, so. But I really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Very grateful for all my new subscribers once again. And I'll bring you back when they're on the pan. Alright, there's the cookies before they go in the oven. And I'll show you when they get out. 8 to 10 minutes, we'll be ready. Alright YouTube, here's the batch of cookies, the better one that turned out. Make them a little smaller next time. That's why you gotta keep them 1.5 inches apart. These kind of went together, but kids will still eat them. Them look good. I'm gonna do the next batch. Like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate everyone. God bless. Alright everyone, here they are. I got them off the pan pretty good. They turn really good. They look like they were gonna be stuck together, but let me see. It's soft. I'm gonna call the kids down here. Thank you for watching.